Good day, people. This is still the same video going on. It's a few weeks later. Not a few weeks, maybe 2 weeks. Let's go closer to that story there. So I took it to Raymond, Marvelous Engineering, and he welded this up. But he used a tapered bit, and he drilled the holes, all the corroded holes that was here as a pinpoint now. All those holes, he tapered them, holes like those holes there, and big as this, a bolt hole and that hole there. These holes here, it's about that size. So they now tape it out, and then he did the thing up quite a lot to make it soft, and then he welded it with aluminium MIG welder rods, wire, aluminium wire, MIG welder. So now I must take it to the other engineering place to get it skimmed or surfaced, en met 'n gelyke snywaard met 'n snyer en 'n milling masjien. Dan moet hulle daai gate uitsny, then I have to cut those holes there out for these chambers to go in there again, and then I must take some off of these chambers to get them the right height. Yeah. En die sel 'n regte hoogte kry, so ek moet nou weer die afsny as hulle klaar die afgeneem het hierso. Afgesny het met die milling masjien. En al die holplekke daar, so al die swart, all this black must go off. Black marker, die black swart merker wat ek gebruik het, Kokie, moet nou alles weg en moet so like blink. It must be shiny like that. All the black markings must be off, then it's level for the gasket to fit nicely. Om die pakking dag te kry, moet al die swart af wees van die silinderkop af. So ek is nou op pad om dit te neem vir hulle. I'm on my way taking it to them to resurface it and cut those holes out. These holes I will drill from my sample, the cylinder that I have, a right thickness of hole, the size of hole, die regte grootte gat sal ek self boor en ek het pakking en die nog 'n silinderkop. So this is now the end of this clip of the same video. Dit is nou van nog 'n video stukkie. Sy einde nou hier. Hello mense, hi people. Let's try the second video of this. Now, I made a few minutes ago a mess up, so let's try again. Now, I took this head in December or January, I don't know what's the date, but today is the 6th, Monday the 6th of July 2026. So I'd taken it in the beginning of the year, months ago, to Raymond to weld this cylinder. So he used a bit like this, tapered bit. So he but a big one, not a small one. And he made these holes big. About it was about the taper at the top was about that big. So he made big tapered rows there and here, there, 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 there. And that he cleaned up and he made big blobs of aluminium there, blob of aluminium there, blob of aluminium here and there, and also there, all these holes. So all these holes were filled with aluminium. Afterwards, he made it hot after he drilled the tapered holes, and he heated it up with a flame. So dit is heel warm, as 'n meter van hom staan, jy kan warmte voel. You stand a meter from it, you could feel the heat. That's how hot he made it. Cylinder it, and then he MIG welded the aluminium in there. All those circles there, that's all aluminium, but it was bulging up there too. That circle, and here, circle there, okay. So then I took it to the engineering shop, and I used a milling machine to cut it off. There you can see there's a little bit of a stripe and a stripe there and a few stripes here. So I took it right off. Maybe I can zoom into it a little bit. Look like now. Alright, now you can see the stripes. There's a stripe. But it's very, it's not too bad. It's nice and very shallow. It's good enough. It's goed genoeg. It's nie 'n metaal gasket nie. It's a composed gasket. 'n Compacte materiaal pakking, nie 'n metaal 3 of 4, 5, 6 stukke plaat op nie. So it should go into these grooves. Behoort om in hierdie groewe in te gaan met die compacte pakking. Composed baskets should go sealed nicely there. Okay, so today I went to fetch it from the engineering works. I already fitted this chamber and that chamber. So daai twee ontbrandingskamers daarso, combustion chambers already fitted. So now I must do the others. Now he didn't clean it completely out. So but the aluminium was right into there. That he took out. I couldn't do that. And he went right down, not completely down to there, because he said it was skew. It was touching there and not completely here. So I used that bit over there. Okay, let's see. That's bit thing, yeah. Just round hole drill, whatever they call it. It's a tungsten hole drill. It's a 35 mil. Yeah, 35 mil, and this is also 35 mil. So I just touched it. Ek het hom net geraak en daarso binnekant. Ek het net daarso geraak daarso. Don't fall down. Ek kyk of ek kan sien so. And then I had to make that slot there for this little thingy there to fit, let it go in. And to vashou dat hy nie draai nie. It mustn't turn. That's what the slot is there for. So there's a little bob there and a slot in there, a keyway type of thing, as you can call it that, just to keep it from prevent it from turning. So okay, this one I must still clean up a little bit. Um, this one too. So I'm going to thingamajig it a little bit to get it to go in there, and I must measure it because I must take some of the material off it so that it is level or maybe a little bit higher than the cylinder head, because with the heat and pressure it should sit right in. A little bit above the head is fine, not too much, but that's fine enough. It's about comma 0 something millimeters, that 3 millimeters or 2 millimeters now at this moment. Yeah, it mustn't be more than, what did I say? Is it comma 3? I don't know. But it's either level, can be level or comma something. And I think that's about comma 0.3 millimeters above. That's fine enough. So let me go carry on with this story here. So now I have to repeat it all again on this disc and make it a little thinner here until it's the right height I want it to be. Die hoogte wat ek hom wil hê daar so, die dikte hierso, deze stip hierso. So we gaan aanhou en aanhou die storie met dit. Right, let's finally do the number 1, 2, I must still do 3. And then what I do is I put a little bit of gasket maker around the chamber. Let's zoom a little bit out again. That's better. What I do is I smear a little bit of it around the outside there. Thinly. And then it's good to go. Just above cylinder head. Okay, that one is good. Then that one. Let's see. A long way to go. So now I must grind this one on the disc, on the flat side of the disc. Grind it and turn and grind it until it's the right thickness, so the regte dikte is. Regte dikte zijn. Okay, see you later. See what happens now. Quite hot. Heat it up, cool it down, heat it up and cool it down. Grind and cool it down, grind and cool it down. Skuur en koel it af en skuur en gat te kere. So 3 ure lank, 3 hours. Bank it in. That's good enough. It's going to keep it down. Later on it will sink deeper and then it's level. So let's get the thing out again. Right. There. Right. Put a little bit of sealant on it. Tiny bit of sealant, gasket maker, whatever. Any type of gasket maker. This one doesn't have a smell, but it's not acid. Doesn't have an acid smell. Ooh, now it's too much. Too much. Right, and then smear that a bit on here. Make it level. Thin layer of sealant. And then I put it in here. Cover it in. Alright. That's good. Now I have to file that. See, he welded there, it also went into the hole here. En die waterpomp se gaatjie ingegaan in die boutgat. So nou moet ek hom net hierso ook 'n bietjie level maak met 'n file of whatever. I'm not going to ask the engineering chap to do this. There's another $200 or something. So that I'm going to do myself. Gaan dit myself doen. So now I've finished this lot. So this is about 4 or 5 hours of work. The previous clip, right in the beginning, I lost the first clip where Raymond worked on the cylinder head. So 2 weeks after that, after he'd welded it, that's when I started the video then. That was when I brought the cylinder head back here, and I circled it with the black marker, all the places where he welded it and so, and where it's hollow, so that when the engineering guy skinned or cut the surface, cut the face of the head, that part there, it's that so that the black is gone, and this is what happened here. The black is all gone, and I circled it just now. It's about 3-4 hours ago I made these circles here to show you where the welding was. Well, where he welded it anyway. Dis waar hy dit geswys het hierso. Groot blopse. Maar jy kan kyk aan die begin van die video. The first clip, that was in January, I think it was, of this year, 2026. But now I finished the grinding, yeah, and then I filed it too. So now it's level. So that's now good enough, because this was eaten away, corroded, corrosie het dit weggeneem, het opgekorrodeerd hierso, opgevreet, roes, wat ook al. Aluminium roes. Right, en dan moet ek hom so bietjie use this drill here. This drill with a reamer on it, and I reamed it like, yeah, so yeah, until this was now more or less in line with the inside. So the welding is now from here to there, and so. Okay, so that is now good from this cylinder head. And I say bye-bye from this video, and you can see close by. Alright, so this is good. And then I'm going to say bye-bye. Dan gaan ek nou totsiens sê van deze video. Ja, reg. Goodbye, totsiens. Tot de volgende video. Thanks for viewing. Thanks for subscribing. Dankie vir op subscripsie. Dankie dat jy gekyk het na deze video. Na hierdie video, na deze video. Right. Tot ziens. Stay safe, bly veilig. Tot de volgende video. Until the next video.